go create an Amazon account. So you need to create an Amazon account.
Wait.
What? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to TeamKloWhat. If you're in the market for a small smart TV, this one in particular comes with
the Fire TV edition.
Oh yes, we're gonna unbox it and review it for you, so stay tuned.
Alright guys, first of all, before we go on unboxing, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe and
also hit the notification bell button so you don't miss any of these videos because they're awesome. And remember, every time you hit the notification bell, an angel gets its wing.
Alright, so let's get in this box. Why do we want to review this TV? Well, first of all, it is a smart TV. It has a Fire TV edition, and that's right, it was very inexpensive. We're going to talk about pricing a little bit, but this is a TV by Insignia, and one of the things that's sponsored. It is not sponsored by Insignia, so Insignia, if you want to sponsor us, then just shoot us an email and just let us know. We'll be ready for you.
TeamKloWhat@gmail.com.
So the other thing that this TV has is that it has a remote control, voice control on it, which is something that you normally don't find in TVs like this. Normally the higher end does have that kind of feature. So we decided, wow, this is a little interesting. Why not test it out?
Yeah, one of the things that we wanted is a small TV. This one could be plugged or used as a regular TV or something has been looking for, which is a monitor. Because of the size, you can basically just take it and place it anywhere. All right, so let's go ahead and unpack it and see what comes inside. We gotta be very careful. It says be very, very careful and fragile with these TVs because you can actually damage the, you wanna do that side? You can actually damage the inside of the TV.
So what do we have inside? Oh, the little feet.
All right, here comes the instructions on how to actually take this out. Please pay very careful attention. So depending on how you grab the TV, you can actually end up breaking, cracking, or actually hurting the inside liquid that comes inside the screen.
Yeah,
so
that's true. You have to be really careful.
Let's take out, an instruction manual here. Okay.
All right, that might not work, but we'll find out.
We didn't know it was there. Lift up the TV, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, so the next thing you want to do on a flat surface, you want to place the TV face down.
But this TV, like some of them, they actually come with an extra protective layer. So you want to put that protective layer down before you actually put it down, because you can actually ruin the television that way.
All right, so what else is inside?
So we have the remote control with Alexa.
It has the cable to plug it in.
The power cable.
It also has instruction manuals on how to set everything up. And I guess screws for the feet.
So let's put this TV together and then we'll be right back once the TV is all set up.
Here we go, powering up. So once you finish up the setup, it took about 4 or 5 minutes for the whole thing. Even though it is a fast internet, I think that the TV itself takes a few minutes to power up and restart and do all of that. Smart TVs are funny. It's like having an actual computer.
Yeah, really. But this is actually a backlit LED TV. Most TVs have this small, have the actual bulb, but this is actually an LED which can save energy, and it's supposed to have deeper blacks. Because we'll see what it looks like in a few minutes.
Because it's doing more updates.
Yes. So it will take a little longer than 5 minutes. I think you have to account for maybe 10 to 15. And again, depending on your internet connection, it'll be longer.
But we'll be back.
All right, guys, so the TV is ready. Before we go on, let's go over the features of this TV so you guys know what this Insignia 32-inch TV has with the Fire TV edition.
Fire TV edition comes with not one, but 3 HDMI inputs. That is impressive. My TV, which is a Samsung, very expensive, has 3 HDMI inputs. So for a small TV like this, impressive.
So this is a 720p TV, only 60 hertz frame rate, which for most TV viewing, I think it's fine.
It's good.
Most cable boxes or anything, people want to go like 4K, or you really can't get 4K on any cable box or anything like that.
Exactly.
Maybe some movies if you have an actual DVD player, but other than that, you know, you won't get that difference in video. You can't really tell.
It comes with a USB input and also a digital audio.
And finally, the man of the hour, the remote. Let me give you a closer look at what this remote looks like.
Look, I like the remote for a couple of reasons. Number one, it has the voice assistant, so you can control the TV with Alexa. Second, it does have those nice little buttons that come with, you know, the directional. So, I mean, direct buttons, so you can go into Netflix, Amazon, and HBO and Hulu.
So the one thing that I noticed, this remote, which is, I don't know why, it doesn't come with YouTube in it. Today and age, most people watch YouTube, so I find it strange that this remote doesn't come with YouTube. But because it is an Amazon type TV, I think it was replaced with the Prime TV button. If you can see here.
They are competitors. Think about that. The other thing I also wanted to mention, this is perfect for you if you already have Amazon at home, because you can enjoy over 500 shows and different things and episodes. I mean, it is just incredibly crazy. So if you have Amazon, the Fire Edition TV ought to be good. There's other TVs that come with Roku, which we're gonna test one out also for you. So don't forget, you know, subscribe to the channel. But the question of the day, do you have a Amazon Fire TV or do you prefer a Roku TV? Leave us a comment down below and let us know which operating system do you prefer, Amazon or Roku?
One of the features is you can actually talk to the remote to make it do things for you, like bring me food. It has a microphone feature directly on the remote control, which you can control it directly from your couch. You don't have to stand up, you don't have to look down, just ESPN. But we're gonna put that to the test now.
Yep. You don't need to have Amazon in order to use it. It will work on other applications, as Yanel mentioned, Hulu, Netflix, YouTube. So if you have any of those applications, don't think that you can use this TV just because of that.
You know, one of those great features is the fact that, you know, I am a Prime member.
Yes.
And Prime gives you a lot of free movies as well. So to have something like this with the Prime subscription, it's beneficial because you can actually.
Is it free? You pay for a monthly fee.
Well, I do pay a monthly fee, but I have so many movies that are free.
Yes.
So the subscription versus the movie ratio that I get is ginormous.
Okay, great. So let's go ahead. We need to go through the setup process of this just like you would with any Fire Stick, which means you got to connect it to the internet. You have to connect it to your account. Once you've done all of that, we'll be back.
All right, guys, so we are back now. The TV is finally up and ready to go, and as you can see, the menu just suddenly just come up, and all you gotta do is just kind of fool around. You want the basic look, or you want the full look. It says it's recommended, so we're gonna take the full right now.
Full look.
And see what it looks like. It's signing up to an Amazon account, yes or no?
So let's go through the experience like if you don't have Amazon. So we're not gonna do that. Let's go, I'm new to Amazon, and we're just gonna go with that. You're more than welcome to sign into your regular Amazon account to get all that experience, but I don't have Amazon Prime, so let's go over like if it was somebody like me. I don't have Amazon. So there you go, said go create an Amazon account. So you need to create an Amazon account for this. You can't, it says 1, create an Amazon account, and 2, go on the website and put this code in.
Wait.
What? Are you kidding me?
Okay, stay calm. Wait a minute. It can't be, maybe let's go back to and let's go to menu basic. In full, you have to have and you know what? This might be a clue. See, in full, it has the Amazon check. See that? And then in the basic, it doesn't have the Amazon check. So now we're gonna go back into basics and see if it actually lets you go into the TV. So on the basic menu, you actually can go in, and it basically looks like the Amazon
Fire Stick,
right?
Yeah.
So you just go into those settings. Have you ever done this before? Live is see some of the channel. I guess you gotta do it through the app.
What's one of my favorite apps, and we should do a thing on, is Pluto. Pluto is one of my favorite apps because it comes with free TV.
All right, so now that we have here, what if I want to watch TV? What if I just want to...
You do need an antenna for this if you want to watch just like regular TV. So please know that.
So right now, this actually took into the... What is it doing? Okay. It's a commercial.
So it has Link TV, has, you know, you gotta download applications. So remember, a smart TV will allow you to watch TV, but everything is through, you know, smart apps that then you can watch most of the companies allow you to watch the last 3 or 4 episodes on their application.
Let's talk about the look of the TV. For being a 720p 60 hertz television, it looks great. I don't know if you could tell from that angle, but even the way that alligator looks, it looks good. So, I mean.
So how much was it?
This little TV, this Insignia Fire TV Edition, 32-inch was only $60.
What? It was a sale though. Let's not say it's not the regular price.
For the price, for the look, the way it looks very impressive.
Just the Fire Stick alone normally is $30. So you got a TV built in with the Fire TV Edition for $60. That's a great deal. Is this a buy or no?
This is a buy. If you want something simple, you want something that will just work, you could put that in your kid's room, you could put that in the kitchen, small TV, you know, in your office. This is a good buy for you. It has a lot of different features built in. Let's try the microphone. ESPN. So it wants me to sign up. You have to sign into the Amazon account before you can use it. But there are other buttons here. If you press this TV button, it looks like it should go into the TV settings. If you have an antenna plugged in or a cable box, you can have that right away.
Netflix.
If you want to click click Netflix, it goes straight into the Netflix app. We could do HBO. It goes straight into and you know what? The speed at which this TV moves.
I think it's pretty good.
It's impressive. Look at that. Really Prime Video. It's really snappy. You have yours, you have kids, or you have new. Look at that. Netflix right back within a second. Very impressive. Very impressive TV. Very fast.
So, thank you everybody for watching. We really appreciate you visiting us here in our channel. We love the fact that you're here, but we will love it even more if you subscribed.
Make sure to hit that button and you smash that like button. If you don't see it blue, it didn't work. Hit it again until it stays blue, because when it does, an angel will get its wings.
An angel gets its wings, yes. Thank you everyone for watching. Hit the notification bell button so you don't miss any of these awesome videos.
We'll see you on the next one.
TeamKloWhat.
All right, let's turn you off. Come on, kids. I'm gonna get out. Just go.